Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to English language series of the Mashal schools. Today we are going to talk about page 34. On this page we have some new vocabulary, but remember we have something new, which is adjectives. Today we are going to talk about some adjectives. For example, he is tall, she is pretty, and he is handsome. He is young and she is old. We will learn some more vocabulary of adjectives to understand how to make a conversation about. So let's do this activity practically in our classroom. Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Excellent. Very good. You look pretty happy today, and I'm sure you are happy. And today I see some happy faces. Along with that, there is some neatness and cleanliness in your classroom. That is even better. I love that. Please sit down. Please sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. And do you know, I have brought you a new topic. That is page number 34. And the topic is really, very interesting. Do you know that? It's interesting. And the topic is about adjectives. Do you know adjectives? Adjectives mean sifat. When you are doing sifat of somebody. For example, I am happy. I'm very sad. Just like that. I am tall. I am short. I am fat. I am thin. Just like that, I am good. I am angry. I am hungry. Because it's fast, I'm fasting and I'm hungry. Literally, I'm hungry. And I'm thirsty as well. Thirsty. Being teacher, it's very difficult in fast. When you go around to every class and you spend your time in class and you are talking all the day just like a radio, then you have to feel thirsty and hungry. Okay. Dear students, today I have some what? Some adjectives. What?
Adjectives.
What?
Adjectives.
Please close your mouth. What?
Adjectives.
Okay, I will show you some words and you will tell me what they are. Okay? Okay, number one. What is this? It's tall. What is this? Tall. And what is this? Short. The girl at the side is short. And what is this?
Young.
The baby with the baba is young. Okay, and what is this? Old. The baba with the baby is
Old.
excellent. And what is this? Pretty. She is pretty. She is beautiful. That's why. And handsome. This is our cameraman having camera at his hand, and he looks handsome. So remember, when we are talking about girls and women, we call them pretty. But when we are talking about men and boys, we call them handsome. What do we call them?
Handsome.
Am I handsome?
Yes.
No, I don't feel like that, but it's good if you call me that. Okay, so now let's do an activity. I will hand it. You will choose one card and will tell me what this is. Okay? Okay?
Yes.
Okay, don't feel me that you are sleeping anymore. Okay, Khawla, please choose one card out of these. What is this? What is the word in this?
Old.
Old. Is your grandfather old? Yes, very good. My grandfather is old. I like my old grandfather. Excellent, that's good. Now I will hand it to another person. Okay, choose one out of these. What is this?
Tall.
It is tall. Okay, the door is tall. The tree is tall. The man standing with the camera is tall. Just like that. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, handing it to Sumama. Sumama Ali, please choose one out of these. What is this?
Short.
It is short. It is short. Excellent. Sit down. Now I will call two students out here and we will say if they are tall or short. Mustafa, please come here. Mustafa Hassan, please come here. Okay, now if you look at these two boys standing here, this boy is short and this boy is tall. This is short and he is tall. We can say just like that. Did you understand the concept?
Yes.
Okay, sit down please, sit down. Thank you very much. It was so nice of you. Clap for yourself.